Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you saw my previous video, you know that I was talking about utilizing ChatGPT in writing cold email scripts, finding out pain points for your prospect, and just automating that entire system. Well, in this week's video, you may be looking at me thinking, Tom, you look a little bit rough, your beard's a bit unkempt, you need a haircut, and you're not wrong. And the reason for this is because I've been deep in the trenches, working out and finding utilizations for AI in hyper-personalizing my cold emails and hyper-personalizing my leads. So in this video, I'm going to give you 6 examples of what I found out so far, and without wasting any of your time, we're just about to jump into my laptop and I'm going to show you exactly what I found. But before we do that, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and if you have any comments or anything you want to ask me about cold email or cold outreach, then the comment section is the best place to get a reply, because I will be replying to every and all message and any other question that you ask me in the comment section. So let's go. Okay guys, so we've dived into my laptop right now and I'm going to show you some of the examples that we found so far. As you can see, we've got 6 ideas here, and in my opinion they get better and better, and the last one here is absolutely crazy, so really stick around to the end because it's going to be worth your time seeing what we've managed to find out so far. So we've managed to achieve all of this by using ChatGPT for Sheets, and for this example what I've done is I've put together the prompt that I actually used itself, the output, and then how I would actually utilize that within a cold email itself. So this one right here is a TikTok video idea. So let's say that you're a TikTok agency or a TikTok creative agency or a freelancer and you're trying to pitch your products to a brand. Well, instead of individually writing out ideas that you had for a brand, you can use this prompt to automatically create an idea for the brand based upon their URL or based upon their company name. So what I did was I asked ChatGPT to analyze the brand and come up with a quick TikTok video idea, and it's done exactly that. So example, I've given 7 examples here, so 6 examples actually, when you take away the title here, and you can see things like, for this one, Golden Boy Foods. One idea I had was showcasing the versatility of Golden Boy's food products by creating a quick recipe video using their peanut butter or almond butter. For example, a 15-second video showing how to make delicious recipes. So what we have here, obviously it's too large to actually take the screenshot in, but what we have here is a hyper-personalized section that we can utilize in a cold email that we didn't write ourselves, but it's super high quality. Imagine you actually going through and writing this yourself. This would take you hours, and this is only 6 leads that you've got here. Now imagine you're sending thousands of cold emails every single day. By utilizing this prompt, we can actually save so much time. It's actually crazy. The next one here is Guru Organic Energy. One idea I had was to create a TikTok video idea showcasing the energy boost that Guru Energy provides. The video could start with someone feeling tired and sluggish, then taking a sip of Guru Energy and suddenly feeling more energetic. It's crazy. The ideas that you can get out of ChatGPT are so high quality. And the way that I would use this in an actual cold email, so for example here, what I would say is something like, hi, first name, I noticed that your TikTok videos are struggling with views. And then what we'd use is we'd sub in this little bit here, which would be the video idea. One idea I had was showcasing the versatility of Golden Boy's food products by creating a quick recipe video, yada yada yada, spin goodbye, and then I would say something like, would you be open to see how we could implement this for you? Spin goodbye, Tom, PS, and then you can put in a case study, or you can put in multiple different case studies and spin them around. This is so powerful. And by the way, I'm by no means any sort of prompt engineer or AI expert. This is just something that I came up with, a little bit of trial and error, testing things out, removing the prompt, changing the prompt, this and the other. If you're good with AI and you can create really high quality prompts, think of the quality of personalization that you can add to your cold emails. The possibilities are endless. I know where I'm going to be focusing a lot of my time over the coming weeks. The next idea here was an email marketing subject line. So for example, let's say that you're an email marketing agency. What we could do here is, for example, say something like, hey, first name, I signed up your email list and noticed a few areas that are costing you sales. Kind of send over a quick video audit with what I found plus how to fix it. Goodbye, Tom. And then I'd say, PS, I wrote you the subject line for your next campaign. Feel free to use it. And what we do is we'd insert this line right here. So for example, Golden Boy Foods, we've got unleash your golden goodness, elevate your taste buds with Golden Boy Foods. Or Guru Organic Energy, unleash your inner guru with our energy boosting drinks. We're just going to insert that little bit of extra personalization to show the prospect that we really took our time to sit back and think about the brand and add that extra level of personalization. We're all about here making the email sound as natural as possible and sound like we've really put effort in, because our prospects will appreciate that. The next one here is an SEO competitor analysis. So this is a really cool one. Again, what we've asked it to do is analyze the website and identify a competitor plus 3 keywords that they should be optimizing to rank on Google search. And then I've asked it to write in a specific format. So what we could do here, we've noticed that when we've asked it to do the prompt, it said something. So for Golden Boy Foods here, we've got, I saw your competitor Fish and Nuts is outranking you on Google for these keywords: almond butter, pecans, and cashews. I saw that your competitor Monster Energy is outranking you on Google for these keywords: energy drink, sports drink, and caffeine. So what we're doing here is we're stabbing them with a pain point. And this is, you know, a competitor that I'm sure they're very familiar with, and to find out that they're actually outranking you on Google for certain keywords which they should be ranking for is incredibly painful for that brand. So this is a really cool one, and this is how I'd utilize it. I'd say something like, hey John, I saw your competitor Fish and Nuts is outranking you on Google for these keywords: almond butter, pecans, and cashews. Would you be open to finding out how we can help you rank higher? Have a good day, Tom. PS, insert your case study there at the bottom. So again, I'm not a prompt engineer, and I'm not an expert in AI, but this is what I've managed to come up with just a little bit of playing around. It's super cool. Another one here as well we could do for sort of, if you're a SaaS company, I just chose a CRM as an example here. So this one is analyze this brand and write a 1-sentence line on how they could benefit from using a CRM. Write a completion in this format. Have you thought about using a CRM to insert idea? Now, obviously, you know, you get CRMs for lots of different things, and you can make it a lot more specific than just a CRM. And if you are, you know, the head of a SaaS company, then you know your product better than anybody else. So you can engineer this prompt to be very specific towards the benefits that you provide to your company itself and to your prospects. So for example, what I would utilize this in, I'll say something like, hey, first name, have you ever thought about CRM to streamline customer communications and track sales data for your diverse range of food products at Golden Boys Foods? Here's a case study. Are you open to finding more? Spin goodbye. Now, this one's not the strongest one, I will admit, but again, this is just because I said a CRM. If you have a SaaS company that does a very specific thing, you can engineer your prompt around that and make it a lot more specific and get a lot better responses from ChatGPT, and your personalization will be better. Now, I've actually then niched that down into an SMS SaaS here. So say that you run an SMS marketing SaaS. What I said is, I run an SMS marketing SaaS, analyze this brand and give me a 1-sentence personalized line about how they could utilize my software, and format the idea like this. One idea I had was insert idea. And what it came up with is, for example, with this Golden Boy Foods, one idea I had for Golden Boys Foods was to use our SMS marketing software to send out exclusive promotions and discounts to your loyal customers. One idea I had for Guru Energy was to use your SMS software. And this one's not the best, but again, we can edit this prompt and make it better. The idea behind this video, what I'm looking to achieve with this video, and what I'm hoping that you guys will pull out of this video, is I wanted to start your brain ticking, start your brain moving in this idea and thinking in the right way, because you know your product better than I do. I'm just pulling out random examples that I can think of. You can create prompts hyper specific to your niche, hyper specific to your product and service, and create highly personalized lines that you can utilize in your cold emails. And the last one I have here, I think, is the best one that I've created so far, and this is the SMS idea. So let's say that you're an SMS agency or you're an SMS software company. This one is so cool. So what I asked it to do was, I said, I run an SMS software company specifically for e-com brands. Analyze this brand and create a 1-sentence SMS campaign that they could use for their brand. Make sure it's personalized and use language that matches their brand. Format the completion like this. One idea I had for an SMS campaign was insert idea, and this is really cool. So you see right here for the Golden Boys Foods, it says, one idea I had for an SMS campaign was, hey there, customer name, get your taste buds ready for a golden experience with our premium quality nuts and snacks at Golden Boys Food. Order now, enjoy free shipping, or whatever it is. One idea I had for SMS campaign for Guru Energy could be, hey customer name, need a boost, get 20% off your next order of our all natural energy drinks with code GURU20. And what's great about this is that the prospect can literally just copy and paste that directly from your email and insert it into their SMS platform, or you're basically showing them a direct example of what you could do or what they could do utilizing your software. It's so powerful. And how I would use this, I actually wrote 2 examples here. So, hey John, are your SMS costs too high at company name? Our software leverages whatever unique mechanism is to reduce costs by 30%. I just made that up. Can we send over more info? Spin goodbye, so goodbye Tom. PS, one idea I had for an SMS campaign was then insert the SMS idea. Another one here would be, hey Tom, notice that you aren't using SMS at company name. Obviously you've done a little bit of research, you know that they're not using SMS. Would you be open to a free trial of our SMS platform to help you increase sales through direct messages? And then you can say, one idea I had for an SMS campaign was da 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 da. Goodbye, Tom. PS, here's a case study that we did. This is a super amazing cold email if you run an SMS company. And, you know, even if you run any other SaaS company, I hope that this is unlocking the ideas that you can utilize ChatGPT for Sheets for in personalizing your cold emails. Now, this is so powerful. One, it shows that you've done research on the company. You know that they're not using SMS for their platform. You know that they could benefit from it. You're giving them a free trial, so it's something valuable that you're giving them. Then you're giving them an idea that they can actually go ahead and test it with. So if they start a trial, they've already got some ammunition that they can go ahead and use to bring in fantastic results for them. And then you're asking, and then at the bottom as well, you're giving them a case study of what you've done for another company. This, to me, I would be super surprised if this wouldn't succeed as a cold email. This is a very powerful cold email. And again, this is what I've just managed to come up with in about a week and a half of sort of trial and error testing things out. Can you imagine what we're going to be able to achieve when AI gets even more advanced and people start to really delve into building really fantastic prompts? So I know where my focus is going to be over the next couple of weeks and couple of months, because this is a huge opportunity. This is super powerful. But I hope this unlocked some ideas for you guys. And if you have any other ideas for AI prompts and sort of AI personalization that you'd like me to test out, then comment them in the actual comment section. And if you think they're a little bit too private and you don't want to give them away, then DM me on Twitter, because I'd love to see them. I think it'd be really interesting. As usual, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe and comment on the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great one, guys.